Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. First, news about a deep dive into tokenization. Over the last decade, blockchain has gone from being a promising concept to being the technology built for the future. In its evolution, blockchain technology has caused major stirs in different industries and created new models for businesses. Tokenization is one of the concepts that has been popularized by blockchain's rise to mainstream recognition. In this guide, we will take a deep dive into tokenization and the reasons behind its newfound popularity. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of creating tokens as a medium of data, often replacing highly sensitive data with algorithmically generated numbers and letters called tokens. Unlike cryptocurrencies, the idea of tokenization did not originate from blockchain technology. For a long period of history, physical tokens have been used to represent real money. For instance, casino chips are used to represent money, and banknotes and coins are also used as different forms of tokens. Tokenization in the digital world was first attempted by Trust Commerce in 2001. In looking at a way to protect the sensitive credit card details of its users, the payment solutions issued the first digital tokens, randomized numbers, which were non-sensitive data equivalent. Before this, online payment services would store the sensitive information of their users in servers. However, these servers were susceptible to breach from hackers looking to access this information. When a cardholder performed an online transaction, the merchant was in accordance with the conditions of the contract. That implies they must save all of the information provided by the client and keep it for the entire duration of the transaction deal. Miners showed that they have acquired all of the data and have encrypted it in a way that is unique to that miner, using their physical storage in a way that no other miner can replicate using proof of replication, PORP. The dynamic base fee determines the number of fees burned in the Filecoin network, which is constantly changed based on network congestion parameters. One of the block explorers reviewing the current head can provide the current value. A number of gas-related factors are also connected to each message, and these parameters impact the number of rewards that miners receive. Actors are a state management software design paradigm. They are Filecoin's version of the Ethereum virtual machine smart contracts and play a crucial role in the system. Any modification to the Filecoin blockchain's current state must be initiated by an actor. Unique features of Filecoin. Users of Filecoin pay the network to have their data stored on storage miners. There are computers that store files and demonstrate that they have been stored correctly over time. Anybody can join Filecoin if they want to keep their files or get paid to store other people's data, which means that no single entity has control over the amount of storage available or the pricing of that storage. Instead, Filecoin allows anybody to engage in open markets for storing and recovering data. The blockchain of Filecoin stores transactions for sending and receiving Fil, as well as verification from storage miners that they are correctly keeping their files. Filecoin allows customers to store their files at ultra-low fees and double-check that they are being stored appropriately. By picking the miner with the best storage offer for their needs, users can choose their chosen trade-off between cost, redundancy, and performance. Filecoin-enabled applications can negotiate storage with any miner on the network. There is no need to build a new API for each provider, unlike centralized storage systems. Users can check that their files are being kept appropriately at any moment by examining proofs present on the blockchain. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that allows storage providers to sell their space on the open market. People and organizations that run miners and earn Fil tokens are known as storage providers. A miner could be any internet-connected computer with free disk space or a specialized Filecoin-specific system with plenty of storage. The blockchain compensates miners for providing usable storage to the internet, rather than for completing inefficient proof-of-work calculations. When a storage provider adopts the Filecoin protocol, they receive access to the entire user community. The protocol and network handle all of this, so providers don't have to create their own storage API or market their services. By reducing entrance obstacles, Filecoin supports a robust, decentralized ecosystem of independent storage providers. A great platform for miners. Deals for file storage and retrieval are made in open markets. Without requiring permission, anyone can join the Filecoin network. A miner requires only an internet connection and free disk space to run. Filecoin allows a vibrant ecosystem of numerous independent storage providers by lowering entrance barriers. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil Rate Prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin Price Prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin Course Forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil Price Prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil Price Prediction 2027.